1. Set career goals. 2. Keep a clean digital presence. 3. Learn to negotiate. 4. Start a side hustle. 5. Take calculated risks. 6. Embrace failure as a teacher. 7. Learn from successful people. 8. Invest in self-development. 9. Stay curious. 10. Celebrate your achievements. 11. Be kind to strangers. 12. Hold the door open for others. 13. Give compliments freely. 14. Be a good listener. 15. Volunteer your time. 16. Donate to charities. 17. Help someone in need. 18. Send handwritten thank you notes. 19. Support local causes. 20. Be a positive influence. 21. Don't gossip. 22. Avoid negative people. 23. Be honest and trustworthy. 24. Keep promises. 25. Show appreciation. 26. Practice good manners. 27. Learn basic etiquette. 28. Respect personal boundaries. 29. Be a team player. 30. Handle conflicts diplomatically. 31. Be a responsible pet owner. 32. Adopt from shelters. 33. Spay or neuter your pets. 34. Provide proper training. 35. Spend quality time with pets. 36. Be an eco-conscious pet owner. 37. Learn basic first aid. 38. Know emergency numbers. 39. Have a fire safety plan. 40. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit. 41. Maintain a clean home. 42. Declutter your living spaces. 43. Organize your closet. 44. Use eco-friendly cleaning products. 45. Digitize important documents. 46. Keep your car clean. 47. Drive safely and responsibly. 48. Walk or bike for short trips. 49. Support local farmers markets. 50. Smile and wave at fellow drivers.